Yeah, I learned about those in invertebrate biology.
I don't think they're ecdysozoans. Some of them, I don't think so. But I don't know. I don't know if they shed an exoskeleton. But they're ecdysozoans. Whether they shed their exoskeleton. So
They must molt. I don't know. I've never seen it. They have a hydrostatic skeleton, which means they don't really. They just rely on the fluid inside them to keep them the way they are. Maybe they don't, but they must. To get their prey, they spit out this sticky stuff. And it's like gummy, sticky stuff that whatever it spits on just get stuck and can't move, and then starves to death, and then the worm eats it. Cool little animal. They can apparently move pretty quickly when they want to. Scurry away. I rarely see them.
That's really cool. Did you see this, Adam? I don't see that. Oh, maybe you didn't. This is really, really cool. Considered very primitive. It used to be like in between the annelids, considered in between the annelids and the arthropods.
No worries. Have a great lesson. No worries. That's okay.
Want more light?
Anybody ever wonder where dragonflies
Yeah, your life is really good.
This dragonfly is pretty cool.